main highlight of the evening, which is what we call the awards ceremony. We'd like to begin with the first set of awards. Best Customer Service in Large Format Store. And the award goes to Hypercity Retail India Limited. Customer Satisfaction Innovation of the Year. And the award goes to SB International. Best Use of Social Media and Communication Strategy Award. And the winner is Myntra.com. HR Employee Engagement Strategy of the Year. And the award goes to Helios Watches. Time to announce the next category, which is Customer Service Leadership Award. And the winner is Dr. Batra's Positive Health Clinic Private Limited. Customer Feedback Strategy Award. And the award goes to Blue Dart Express Limited. Best Application of Technology Award. And the winner is SSIPL Retail Limited. Best Loyalty Solution Provider. And the winner is EMEA. Quality Customer Service Enabler of the Year. And the award goes to Gripsel E-Apps and Technologies Private Limited. Best Logistics Provider. And the award goes to TCI Supply Chain Solutions. Outstanding Business Services. And the award goes to Payback. Best in Customer Service Apparel Retailer. And the award goes to Raymond's. Customer Service Excellence in Specialty Retail. And the winner is Ishana, the Conscious One. Best in Customer Service Excellence in E-Retail. And the award goes to Home Shop 18. Great Customer Care in Beauty Salon. And the award goes to Rod Anchor Hairstylists Private Limited. Leading Spa Excellence through Customer Service. And the award goes to Aura Thai Spa. Outstanding Customer Service in Cafe Restaurant. And the award goes to Cafe Coffee Day. Excellence in Customer Service in QSR. And the winner is Domino's Pizza India, Jubilant Foodworks Limited. Best in Customer Service Regional Retailer of the Year. And the award goes to Comets Our Times Ice Cream Private Limited, Natural Ice Cream. Delivering Customer Service Excellence at Home. And the award goes to Domino's Pizza India, Jubilant Foodworks Limited. Excellent Customer Service in Kiosk Retail. And the award goes to VLCC. For consistent customer service in financial service. And the award goes to India Infoline. Top customer service in CDIT and telecommunications. And the winner is, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Chroma. Best in Customer Service Home Retailer. And the award goes to Magpie. Best in Customer Service Food and Grocery. And the award goes to Godrej Nature's Basket. Best Customer Service Delivery by a Mall. And the award goes to DLF Place. Best in Customer Service Retailer of the Year. And the award goes to Tanishq.